AEHR stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1 minute video. Look, I am the only person in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and no one else has come even close. I have all the data backing up my claims on my YouTube channel. But I love it. You know, this AEHR is pumping like very good. Like very, very good. So just recently I got a quick little long, which was correct. And at the time of making this, it was 23rd of July, pre-market, you know, 5:55 Eastern Time AM, and it was so good. Pre-market was like 2018, you know what I mean? So this was like on the freaking head, nail on the head. Beautiful call out, which turned out to be a +4R. And since that delivery, we came even lower, which makes it even better, honestly. Like, we can have a little bit of a higher time from one, but only thing that will matter for me is a double break. The same way like I did before. Nothing different. There's a little bit of a different scale, right? If there is a double break, looking to take it, put it down easy, put it up. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.